Welcome to how far I will go to absolutely botch anything up. I'll show you the mess that I haven't cleared up yet. Excellent. Excellent. Just get out of there, come on. All sorts of crap going on in there. So these are the old, they even, oh bloody hell, they might be too big actually saying that. Oh, they might be too bad, they might be too bloody large. Yeah. Well, that might have already cocked up the entire video right there. I know the other ones are really loose, but I don't know. They fit snugly, which is probably for the best. Because these ones are really bloody loose. They're just kind of like... but yeah, these are the old leads that I had, causing absolutely nightmare-ish problems. Because they were so flipping loose. They'd just come out all the time. The crocodile clips have seen better days. That one completely melted and I've cut it off to use it. But this cable has seen better days. These are the same type of clip, the banana connectors or whatever they're called, but these are actually for speakers. Doesn't say about the safe working load of these, or how much current they can handle, but they look pretty good. I mean, that only goes up to 5 amp anyway, that power supply. I'm sure they'll be alright. I mean, they're pretty solid looking connectors. And here is some old strimmer, 2-core strimmer cable. It's mains rated, not exactly for low voltage DC, but it's probably thick enough. Well, why don't I just reuse those wires? Actually, that's a good point. I could just reuse them for now. I'll do that. I'll just reuse those for now because that's what come with it. I mean, to be honest, these aren't exactly thick wires either. But hey ho, they're there. It wouldn't take me long to just reuse them, would it? Unscrew. I think I had to re-terminate that at some point as well. I mean, that's been soldered for one. Can I? No. Yeah, they got 2 screws. Wow. One either side. There we go. That one now. If I don't out there. Ow! I keep stabbing myself with them. Ow! You little swine. Come on. Come on. Come on, little flat blade. There we go. Oh, great. Oh, excellent. I love it when it does that. This one's been doubled over, so I doubt both screws are going to get it, but I don't actually care. No, I do care. It's just, yeah, I mean, it's got 2 screws, so why not undouble it? I suppose. In this case, it'd probably make a better connection to be undoubled over. In this rare case. And that goes on there like that. Or doesn't it? Oh no, it's just not going through again. Right, that's that. I hadn't actually thought about this end because I was going to get some more crocodile clips, but I didn't do that, did I? Fucking hell. So for now, I'm just going to like... Get off! Get off! Away! Away! There! Come on. There we go. That has solved all my life problems, I think. Maybe. Let's force that into there as well. Make it the right size. It'll bend it into shape, won't it? Yeah. Something like that. Well, definitely better in there. Better in there. That's something. The plan was mostly to get this working so I can test some random old Christmas light bulbs So for now, actually, this would work, because I could just, like, could try wedge it into this tester. The amount of my botchery, I just want to, like, stuff it in there, I suppose, like that. Oh, bollocks. How did I get that out in the first place? Yeah, it sticks up a bit. Don't know whether that's going to cause me problems or not, but find out in a minute, won't I? That negative feels horrible. It feels just... blech. It's probably bloody aluminium cable. There we go. As for closing it, I think just brute force ignorance it. Look at that. Now that is quality. That's very close to touching, I reckon, but be alright, won't it? Let's turn it on and find out. So basically the plan is I shall hopefully be able to test random bulbs now. Let's grab a random bulb, shall we? It's glowing, so it's working at least. I've probably not actually shown that, but there you go. I mean, for something I've just produced in about 5 minutes, I guess it's not that bad. I'm guessing it's a 5 to 6 watt bulb. Just ramp it to 6. Blows up. I doubt it's 7, looking at that. It might be a 7. Won't it? Being a bit overrun for a little bit, will it? Was it draw at 7 volt? Well, that's probably a 7. It's 120 milliamps. So 7 volt, 120 milliamp. Is that not nearly... That's 0.84 watt, isn't it? So would this bulb actually work with the... as a spare for the Premier lanterns? It definitely looks like a smaller bulb though. Interesting. I mean, I've been getting an absolute crap load of bulbs on eBay. Probably spending way too much for them as well. Like, look how cool that is. Pack of 20 pink bulbs. There they are. Yeah, seller included a load of packets of bulbs for me, which is very kind. No, that's not them. What have I done with them? Ah, there they are. Three packets of unknowns. These do look like Premier style again. Ow! Copper shard. Love it. Right, start at 2 volt again. Make sure I'm in shot this time. I'll just show you in shot rather than keep moving the... It would be nice if I could have... What I need is like all the kind of bulb holders, but there's a lot of them. It'd be nice to have that there and just slowly work it up till it's brighter. It's not making connection, is it? Might be it doesn't work. Could be a 12 volt. Surely that'd light at 7, wouldn't it? Bad connection. He says running it really bright. No, it's probably getting on about right for that being a 7 volt though. So let's go for 7 volt. That looks about right, doesn't it? That's running at 130 milliamp. Right. I can't remember what I said already. I am just using a website because I'm really lazy. 130. 0.91. So, yeah. I mean, obviously, I was going to use resistance to try work these bulbs out. but obviously while they're cold, the resistance is going to change depending on their temperature. So I think this is definitely a better method, but I don't think it's 100% accurate, because they're all running at slightly different wattages. But I suppose as long as they're close enough, it's not the end of the world. But yeah, I mean, especially for the LD40 set, I think the fuse bulb was like 0.7, whereas the main bulbs are like 0.8. So in effect, putting one of these style bulbs in, which are 0.75, you're borderlining a fuse bulb, aren't you? Per colour. Yeah, the bulbs themselves are 0.84 and the fuse is 0.7. But these are 0.7 fuses and then 0.75 bulbs. Maybe they don't matter too much. So what I'll probably do is package these just saying, oh, 7 volt, and maybe a rough estimate of the wattage. I'm not sure if leaving it on for any period of time will actually lower the wattage slightly. Should really know more about this stuff, to be honest, considering I did do 2 years electrical course and do electrical for a living, but this sort of stuff doesn't come up very often. I don't really know what this video is now, because it kind of started off with me buggerizing about, but hey, I have just made a very crude volt tester thing with some speaker cable connectors, but you know, it's, if anything, probably was better than it was before. I'm not sure on the current rating of those, but like, let's face it, they were they're much sturdier and better than those, so I'm sure it'll be alright. Audiophile people were like, how dare you use them, but nah. I've never quite got what these do. I assume they help you take the bulb out, but you don't twist bulbs, you pull them. So why would you get a little spanner? I assume do they go around? Oh, I don't know. Too many bloody questions with no answers.